to set limits, but to explore. The bumpy ride couldn't stop the desert lion's forward momentum. "16 years of suspension technology accumulation. 400 plus R&D experts. 160 plus patents with a global perspective. Desert Lion was born to be anything but ordinary. If the journey is destined to be bumpy, let us make it a smooth road. Manipulation is not violence. It's about making every curve your track. We will adhere to the stringent standards of the laboratory. May it transform into precision and ease in every turn you take. This is more than just a component. It's your statement of attitude. It is the ticket to the true temple of driving mastery."